Hi all, we are PTE for sure. We are providing complete training to successfully crack PTE exam with your desired score. We will provide you tips and tricks to get 65 and 79 in PTE. After enrolling, our course's material would be provided online. For more information, kindly contact through WhatsApp or other details mentioned in the video.
The graph below depicts facts on the Iron Age dwelling. This is a cross-section of an old cottage with a triangle form. According to this graph, the sloping rafters are supported by a pillar in the middle of the graph, and reed thatch is used to cover the roofs. Below the ground level, ashes and benches may be seen in the hut. The grass wall may be seen from the ground level. Finally, this graph is quite useful.
The population of the Internet is seen in the graph below. Germany, the United Kingdom, and France are among the countries represented. This graph shows that the US is worth roughly $116 million. This graph shows that Japan's worth is roughly $16 million, which is lower. The worth of China, as seen in this graph, is roughly $180 million, which is the highest. The value of Netherlands, as seen in this graph, is approximately 10 millions, which is the lowest. Finally, this graph is quite useful.
The graph below depicts facts about Europe. On the map, the locations of several nations are shown. Austria, Germany, Poland, and Czechia are all located in the center region. Ireland and Portugal are located on the left side of the map. The largest nation, according to this graph, is Russia, which is positioned on the right side. Denmark and Belgium, for example, are small countries. Finally, the map depicts a large number of European countries.
The following line graph depicts the production of palm oil in Indonesia and Malaysia. The red line of Indonesia grows from the lowest point, about 5 million tons in 1997-1998, to the maximum position, over 18 million tons in 2007-2008, as seen in the line chart. And until 2005-2006, Malaysia has always been higher than Indonesia. Following that, Indonesia surpasses Malaysia. Finally, this graph is quite useful.
The germination process is depicted in this illustration. A seed is buried in the earth in the first phase before developing its green embryo in the second. The seed covering begins to peel off in the third phase, and the black root begins to develop. The bright green cotyledon appears next, and the seed emerges from the earth. Finally, the dark green leaves of the foliage emerge. Finally, this illustration depicts the growth of a seed.
If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and also press below bell icon. Thank you.